Well, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Android phone if you got water stuck in the speaker or something like that. So it's very easy to just blast that out. So there's a specific website we can go to. Just go to fixmyspeaker.com. So I'm going to load up my web browser here and go to fix, or you can just type it into Google, fix my speakers, and then press go. Now under here, just go to the first one, select this, and there is a lot of ads on here, so you might see those ads, but scroll on down to this little option right here and press it. And this is going to blow all the water out of your speaker now if you have it in there. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.